Hello, I'm Emma. In this video, we will go over the costs of obtaining or updating a living trust, including attorney fees, and do-it-yourself type services like LegalZoom. I will also show you how to obtain an affordable living trust. Let's dive into local attorneys and do-it-yourself type services first. According to numerous sources, the average cost for a local attorney to prepare a revocable living trust can range from $1,500 to $3,000 or more. What's interesting is how the price varies so greatly for basically the same type of documents. What's even more interesting is that attorneys use templated forms to draft their customers' legal documents, and frequently use paralegals or legal secretaries to merge and draft their clients' actual documents. Why are they so expensive then? Maybe it's the fake leather binder many of these attorneys use to house the documents in their final form. Some organizations offer a greatly reduced price far below the cost of a local attorney, but that advertised price is not always the final price. Let's take a look at LegalZoom. LegalZoom established itself as a tech company dedicated to making legal help accessible to all. However, they are basically just a non-attorney do-it-yourself program with no legal representation or advice provided to their customers. They advertise their do-it-yourself living trust starting at $249. $249 sounds like a good deal, but is that everything you need? Let's take a look at the cost of a living trust for a married couple through LegalZoom. You'll notice that once you add everything you need for a completed living trust, the cost is much higher than advertised. The final cost of a LegalZoom notarized living trust for a married couple amounts to $904.95. That's a far cry from the advertised price starting at $249. Local attorneys charge $1,500 to $3,000. There must be a more affordable option. There is no reason a living trust should cost that much. Trusted by over 42,000 members, the National Association of Family Services only charges $799 to obtain a living trust. How are they so affordable? Similar to a dental plan, legal and financial services through them tend to cost a fraction of the price of going to a regular law firm. It's that simple. For just $799, you can create a new living trust or update an existing one. This includes notary services, one deed transfer, and an actual attorney to help you. Sorry, the fake leather binder isn't included. It helps us save on costs. Ready to start your living trust? Click below to complete our application.